Tourists flock to Banawe to see rice terraces, to Albay to see a volcano's perfect cone, and to Palawan to see white beaches. But here in Pampanga, they come to celebrate our food. Are we really the culinary heartland of the Philippines? Let's see. Number 1. Our reputation for culinary excellence dates back to long ago. In 1896, the Duke of Edinburgh came to Pampanga to taste our food. In 1872, King Norodom of Cambodia attended a banquet in Apalit, Pampanga, and fell in love with a girl from Kalumpit. In 1891, the Grand Duke of Russia, Alexis Alexandrovich, was so amazed at the Kapampangan dinner, hosted by the Arnedos in Sulipan, that he described it as brilliant. In 1901, William Howard Taft, later President of the United States, devoured 3 plates of ginataan. And during the Malolos Congress of 1898, it was the Kapampangans who fed the delegates that drafted the Philippine Constitution.